If you need to request a refund from Agoda, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Review the refund policy. Before initiating a refund, check Agoda's refund policy to understand the eligibility criteria and conditions for your booking. This information can typically be found on their website. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your Agoda account by logging in with your registered email and password. This will allow you to view your booking details and initiate the refund process. Step 3. Locate your booking. Once logged in, navigate to the My Bookings section. Find a specific booking for which you want a refund and click on it to view the details. Step 4. Request the refund. Look for the option to request a refund or cancel your booking. Follow the prompts to fill out any necessary information and submit your refund request. Be sure to provide any required documentation if prompted. Step 5. Monitor your email. After submitting your refund request, keep an eye on your email for confirmation from Agoda. They will inform you of the status of your request and any further steps you may need to take. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with Agoda. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to the customer service for assistance.